10 years ago, I sat up on this stage and I said that I was super excited about being down here to reimagine education. And a lot of you who are in the room that we've been talking tonight were here and said, that sounds great, but we'll just wait and watch. We'll see. We've heard that before. Well, here we are, as Andrea just said, 4,000 students later, adding programs and with hundreds and hundreds of healthcare partners.
To continue giving our young people an opportunity to succeed, to get a job and get a profession. Here in the Rio Grande Valley, we're one of the fastest growing areas in the state. We have a very young generation that wants to learn, wants to work, wants to be given the opportunity to succeed. And this college is doing just that.
Okay, on the count of three, y'all cut the ribbon. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Looking at them as an individual, not a number, and so are you in this community. And I thank every single one of you for being a partner on that journey, because not only are we changing their lives, but we're making our communities healthier and a better place to be. So thank you so much.